Welcome to English Improve. Hello everyone. In this video we've got something special for you. 30 incredibly useful phrasal verbs with come, go, and look. Whether you're learning English or just brushing up, these essential phrases will boost your language skills in no time. Lesson 1. Phrasal verbs with the word come. Come across. Meaning, to encounter or find something unexpectedly. For example, I came across an interesting book at the library. Come along. Meaning, to accompany or make progress. For example, would you like to come along to the concert with us? Come around. Meaning, to change one's opinion or attitude. For example, she used to dislike spicy food, but she's come around to it. Come back. Meaning, to return. For example, when will you come back from your vacation? Come by. Meaning, to acquire or obtain something. For example, can you come by some extra tickets for the game? Come down. Meaning, to reduce in price, intensity, or size. For example, the fever finally came down after taking medicine. Come forward. Meaning, to volunteer or offer help or information. For example, the witness decided to come forward with crucial evidence. Come in. Meaning, to enter a place. For example, please come in and have a seat. Come off. Meaning, to succeed or happen is planned. For example, the party came off without any problems. Come on. Meaning, to encourage or hurry someone. For example, come on, we're going to be late for the movie. Lesson 2. Phrasal verbs with the word go. Go on. Meaning, to continue or proceed. For example, please go on with your presentation. Go out. Meaning, to leave one's home to socialize or have fun. For example, We're planning to go out for dinner tonight. Go with. Meaning, to match or complement something. For example, those shoes go perfectly with your dress. Go over. Meaning, to review or examine something in detail. For example, let's go over the details of the plan one more time. Go for. Meaning, to choose or opt for something. For example, I'll go for the pasta dish, please. Go through. Meaning, to experience or endorse something difficult. For example, she's going through a tough time right now. Go back. Meaning, to return to a previous place or time. For example, I'd love to go back to the beach where we vacationed last year. Go by. Meaning, to pass or lapse as time. For example, time goes by so quickly. Go along. Meaning, to accompany or follow someone. For example, can I go along with you to the store? Lesson 3. Phrasal verbs with the word look. Look up. Meaning, to search for information in a reference source. For example, you can look up the meaning of that word in a dictionary. Look out. Meaning, to be cautious or watchful. For example, look out for oncoming traffic when crossing the street. Look forward to. Meaning, to anticipate or be excited about something in the future. For example, I look forward to the weekend. Look over. Meaning, to review or examine something. For example, can you look over my essay and check for errors? Look into. Meaning, to investigate or examine something in detail. For example, the authorities will look into the matter. Look after. Meaning, to take care of or be responsible for someone or something. For example, she looks after her younger brother. Look down on. meaning to view someone or something as inferior or with contempt. For example, some people look down on those who work in fast food restaurants. Look up to. Meaning to admire or respect someone. For example, many children look up to their parents as role models. Look out for. Meaning to watch for and be vigilant about something. For example, look out for signs of dehydration in hot weather. Look around. Meaning to explore or examine a place. For example, let's look around the museum before it closes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep practicing your English and see you in the next video.